Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. This week we get to look at a window stateroom aboard AmaDahlia, one of the beautiful Nile River cruise ships of AmaWaterways. These are the most economical staterooms, but they're also the smallest at 194 square feet and are on the lower deck, the bottom deck. So we don't usually recommend these, but they are still pretty staterooms. This is a night table you have on the right side of the bed. There's your thermostat and light controls, and you have a reading light as well as some plugs. And you have a drawer down here at the bottom of the night table. And the bed is lofted, so you can put luggage underneath the bed. It is set up as a king size bed, but you can have them set up as twin beds if you prefer. There's a nice flat screen TV that does move around to make it easier to view from the bed and from the bedroom. There's a desk with European plugs and USB plugs and a hair dryer inside the drawer in the desk, and a little stool there for the desk and a coffee table. And this is the view from the window. You can see we're sailing down the Nile River. The window is much larger and much lower on the wall than most river cruise ships, but still not a balcony. So here's your other night table, more USB plugs and another drawer there for additional storage space. And then coming back over next to the desk, you've got your life vests and a safe for valuables, which is great. And they will hold a laptop as well. Some more shelves for storage, and you've got a coffee and tea service there. And down here you have a mini fridge. Beverages are not included on AmaWaterways. They do include beer and wine with lunch and dinner, and they have a sip and sail cocktail hour every evening, but they did give us plenty of bottled water during the Nile River cruise, and that was included. Here are your closets. So on the left side, you've got plenty of shelf space to put your belongings, and the right side is your hanging space. It's a bit small, but there's your robe and your slippers, and inside each door you have a full-length mirror. So a nice closet, but kind of small, which is in keeping with the stateroom. And then just to the left is the bathroom, which is also cozy. You can see there's another robe you can use while you're on board. And you have a single vanity and no storage underneath the sink. Got some amenities there and a towel rack and a makeup mirror. So a nice small bathroom, and then behind the vanity, there's the facilities and a decent sized walk-in shower for a cruise ship. Not big, but not the smallest we've seen either, with a shower wand and more amenities. So just a lovely window stateroom aboard AmaDahlia, the most economical staterooms aboard. So when you're ready to book your next river cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.